What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a good day today on this Sunday evening. My Washington football team lost today. I'm sad. They 6-8 though, still top of their division, NFC East, super weak. So hopefully get into the playoffs. But right now, if we did versus Seahawks, who we just lost to today, not here for it. But that's not what you guys are here for. You guys are here because you're wondering, Ty, you posting, you must have got some heat. So I'm not big on the resale market, but when I seen these online, I had to cop, made sure they were legit. Got to do your due diligence as a buyer. All right. So you must be like, Tyler, what you get? I got some heat for you guys. First off, I just want to show you guys the box. I have a lot of shoes. This box right here might be my favorite out of all of them. It's so unique. And if you're wondering who made them, Patta. All right. Almost dropped. All right. Look at the tag here. Size 4T. I already know, wide, long foot gang out here. Represent. So these actually came out, I think probably 2 years ago now. No, a year and a half. They came out last May. This is the first iteration of the shoe. They released two different versions, Patta did. Two different Jordan 7s. There's a Shimmer and then an Icicle version. So the one that I have here, which you will see in 1 second, this is the Shimmer pair. Sorry, I just gotta, don't mind me. But yes, got the StockX verification tag. But yeah, this pair of shoes here, as you can see, Patta 7 Jordan Shimmer. All right. Honestly, I don't have any pair. Well, before this, I didn't have any pairs of Jordan 7s. But this, looking at this shoe right here, this makes me want to go out and get a whole bunch of Jordan 7s. Like if they re-retro those Bordeaux's or some Raptor 7s. If you guys don't know, I live in Toronto. Raptor 7s, automatic cop. But getting into the shoe here, as you can see, it is made up of a short-haired suede or like a nubuck material. I feel like the darker brown here is made up of maybe like a suede. I don't know if you guys can see like the strokes, like, but yeah, you can see that. And then this lighter brown, almost like a coffee color. This is like a 1 milk maybe, and this is like a 3 milk coffee. It's probably like a short-haired, like a nubuck here, and then this is like a suede. But these are one of the nicest shoes that like has come out in the last 2 years. They don't really release Jordan 7s like that. I don't know if people don't necessarily like them. Like you probably got 3 to 4 pairs of Jordan 1s coming out every month. And honestly, those sell, you know, so Jordan Brand's going to do what they have to do to make some money. But these came out around the same time as the Travis Scott 1s, which I also have, but they're kind of similar in the colorway, but they're very different at the same time. This is a very dark brown here. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the dark brown on this is very, very, very dark. But it's a nice colorway. As you can see on these Jordan 7s here, they have the peaks and mountains as all Jordan 7s do. Yeah, and then on the medial side here, they have Patta written on the midsole, which is almost like a lighter color. It is a lighter color than this, but they're all like coffee based besides the red. Also looking at the outsole, tell me Jordan 7s don't have the nicest outsole. Like, this just screams 90s if you ask me. But yeah, they also got some peaks, and then they got the mostly black outsole here. And then if you're looking at the tongue, it has the red and then the brown and all the other colors on there. A fun fact about Jordan 7s, every single tongue is made different. So you can look at your friend's pair and then you look at your pair, and two different shoes doesn't mean yours are fake. This means they make them a little differently. All right, and they got the Jordan Air there on the tongue. I don't know if you guys can see that. Camera in the air. Oh, there it is. All right, and yeah, on the back it says Team Patta here. Oh, Team Patta. And you guys can see the 23 here, of course, from Michael Jordan, the GOAT. And not a lot of people notice, but there's just a little 7 here for the Jordan 7. It's a little hidden. Tinker Hatfield, excellent shoe designer. If you're a sneakerhead, you gotta know who Tinker Hatfield is and what he did for the sneaker community. But yeah, these colors just really go very well together, and I really, really like them. Another nice addition to the shoe. Got this little hang tag here. Super dope, super dope. All right. And it's like a little off center because usually it's like this, but then they put it this way so it's a diamond instead of a square. But yeah, I really like this. All right, there's a little sneaker review for you guys. Hope you like. Let me know if you have any recent comps. Peace.